Alright guys, in this video I'm going to challenge myself and see if I can change the battery on this iPhone right here. It's an iPhone 5 and I recently got a bunch of tools and hopefully they will work, because I did buy some tools in the past and they did not work so well, so you gotta hope that this time it does do what it's supposed to. Alright, so we need the star-shaped screwdriver. It's not these. And I believe it's this one. To unscrew these super tiny screws on the bottom here. There we go. And they are so tiny, so watch out when you're handling Apple technology. Everything is so small. It's almost like they want you to lose it. Wow, look at that. That's so hard to do. It's no wonder they call them Apple geniuses. Guess you have to have miniature fingers to get this done. Now, this is the tool that I bought here, and it's supposed to allow you to go in there and pull the screen up, but it doesn't look like it's going to work. I'm going to try this one. Nope. Maybe the larger one will do. No. Looks like it snapped. Alright, they lied. Those things don't work at all. So what I am going to use is this amazing knife. And it looks like that's actually working here. Come on. In no way is this easy. Come. This is probably the hardest part of the whole thing, I guess. I can't even get it open. There we go. Once you get far enough, it kind of helps. Now that it's kind of open, I'm going to put this on, because I know that if I do it the other way, I'm just going to push it back in and then I won't be able to open it at all. There we go. So now that this is connected, hopefully I can pull this up. Ooh. Have to be very careful, because if I push this over the 90 degree, I will just break the whole thing. Which is the other problem with these devices. Everything is so small. And I lost the screw grates. More screw. Alright, so I hope I don't lose the screws that are in there, because those, again, are so tiny. So do I suggest you guys try this out at home? I think it's a good idea if you don't try this at home. I most likely will lose some of the screws, or at least one of the screws. Come on. I know you're in there somewhere. Oh, there's one more screw. There it is. Found it. Don't lose it. There. Now all I need to do is use this one here to pry this open gently without breaking or anything, hopefully. There we go. Came out quite nicely. And I'm hoping that this battery will fit. Now if I were to do this professionally, I would use there's some adhesive that you can put in. But I'm not going to do that today, because what if this battery doesn't work? Then I won't be able to take it out, and I'll have to do this whole process once more. So fidgety. Come on, I know there's the correct connectors. So why won't you go in? There, it went in. Oh. I'm surprised that it did, because it feels like the connector is a little bit wider than the original that I put in there. Whoa, did I just break something? No, hopefully not. Please tell me I didn't break it. So yeah, this is why I would not recommend you try this on your own. There's a good chance that I just broke the connector. But yeah, now you do everything in reverse. You just put these things back where they were before. They kind of cover things up like this. And the other one on the other side like that. And then you just screw them together. Anyway, hope this video helps you guys. It's getting a little bit too long, so I'm going to cut it short. And I'll see you in the next one.